Hello all, and welcome to the Among Us review game. I will be your host. I am not the imposter, but I am the one that's going to give you instructions on what to do for the review game. So, first of all, if you guys have not played Among Us, then you're behind, okay? Everybody I know has pretty much at least heard of this game, and so the idea is that you guys will be performing tasks. Okay, so your directions are, your mission is to complete all of the crewmate tasks before the imposter sabotages our ship, as in our class. So don't be the last one to turn this in. You're going to click through each slide to solve the problems. Good luck. So the first thing you need to do is customize your character. Okay, so typically I am brown with the little leaves on top of it, and I go by the name Groot. So just letting you know, that's usually my little character. So you're going to make your character, and you're going to put it on slide 4. So you're going to paste your character here. If you want to make a name, you're more than welcome to obviously make it school appropriate. For the admin, what you're going to do, this is a star level question. You are going to solve the problem, and you're going to drag this use button to the correct answer. Make sure that you know what the correct answer is. Next one, you are going to take this card, just like you would in the game, and you're going to slide it across. Okay, obviously there's not going to timer. It's not going to tell you that you're going too slow. But when I look for the answers, I want to make sure that you have slid the card all the way to the right. Okay, next one. In the cafeteria, you're going to be doing a writing prompt. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here, and it's going to open it up into a Google Doc. That Google Doc has a prompt for you to answer. It is related to what ingredients is necessary for an athlete to perform at its peak performance. So you need to read it. You then need to type your answer here. Your answer needs to be at least 250 words, or it will not count for this slide. Next slide. You are going to take this green, and you are going to make sure that you slide it and pretty much extend it all the way across, just like you would for a download. That's it for this one. Next slide, storage. All right, so storage, what you're going to do, similar to the previous one, you're going to put the use button over the correct answer to describe which of these are the two. Would you describe these two molecules? Okay, so are they nucleic acids, carbohydrates? What are they here? So you can use your notes for this. Next one, you're going to copy and paste the fuel and make sure that you paste it all the way up until it reaches the top. In electrical, you guys are going to use the use button, and you guys are then going to put it over the correct answer. So when I take it, I'm going to put it over the correct letter answer. Okay, if it shows up like this, you right click it, you change the order, okay, and you want to make sure that you bring it to the front. If it's not going to work for you, okay, then you can simply explain what the correct answer is here. Slide 12. You are going to take, number 1, you're going to drag the wires. So you're going to click, and you're going to drag the line to the correct color. Then on the other side, you need to make sure that the biomolecule matches up with the correct monomer. Next one, you are going to be doing a Flipgrid. This link will take you to Flipgrid. Make sure to sign in with your Google account. You need to answer the discussion prompt. It's going to talk about lactose intolerance, which we have talked about in class, and it was also in your Amoeba Sisters Ed Puzzle. Okay, so you can use your notes for that. Oh, on this one, you also need to make sure that once you submit, take a snip or a screenshot, paste the screenshot of your Flipgrid here so I know that you completed it. For O2, this one, it's another star question. You're going to put the use over the correct answer. This one, you're going to click and delete all of the leaves to clean the filter. Navigation, this is a little bit tougher. What you're going to do is you're going to use your notes to fill in the concept map. I have not provided the text boxes for these, so I'm going to insert text box and drag it over where I need to fill in. Okay? On here where it says lab test, you may have to go back into your assignment that was related to the lab test. So what solutions were used to test for carbohydrates, both the simple and the complex? On this one, what was the test for lipids? What was the test for proteins? What was the test for nucleic acids? Slide 18, okay? You are going to click and you're going to extend this line to finish the course in navigation. Communications. You need to use your notes to remind you of what is saturated versus unsaturated. Take the sticky notes and place it on the correct 3 different biomolecules. So is this one saturated or unsaturated? And you need to do that for all 3 of those biomolecules. Next one, okay, this one is just to divert power. You click here, send it all the way to the top. Shields, all right? So on this one, same kind of deal. You're going to use the use button, put it over the correct answer. On here, you need to explain your answer. So why did you choose that one? Okay, if you don't, you're pretty sus. Slide 22, okay, you're going to take the shield damaged pieces and put them on the correct spots. Make sure they cover. For security, you're going to go to Science Daily. So that link is hyperlinked here. On there, it takes you to the health and nutrition. Scroll through, find any articles that are related to any biomolecule that you find. So there are tons of resources here. Find any article that you find interesting that's related to a biomolecule. You're going to summarize the article using 3 or more sentences in this box here. You're going to paste the article website here. So you just copy the URL that you find the article on, paste it into this spot. When and who published the article. When you're looking at an article, I will pick any at random. It's going to say where the source was and when it was printed at the very top of every article. You need to make sure that it is included in the security slide. After that, you found a body. Okay, you need to make sure you drag the report button onto the circle. When I say circle, that just simply means the joystick over here. When you are done, that's it. Okay, and then do not forget to turn it in. Do not be the last one to turn this in. Thanks, guys.